I don't know what's wrong with my feet. Every time I do this and this, I end up at the airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, traveling on JetBlue flights 1327 with service to Montego Bay, Jamaica. This will serve as a game change announcement.
Montego Bay to Jamaica. Everybody at the Montego. What's the KK Squaaad? As you can see, we're at the airport. Can't ever talk. What is that beeping sound? Oh, people make video at airports. Somebody tell me. Cause all of this noise and interruption. Anyways, we're going on vacation. So we're already checking what bags. We got through TSA already. Do all of the extra stuff. Now we just sit and wait for board. Don't know if you can hear me because it's busy where we're sitting right now. Very busy, as you can hear in the background.
Hey man,
just to update you now. So updating us some more. So you can see where they're on the plane. Just board and see. Get some drinks. Now we have to have the buzz bars, cocktail. I'll go over this section.
Ladies and gentlemen, flight attendants are now coming down the aisle with Jamaica custom declaration forms.
Glad we reached. This is my airport fit. Hot and tired. So catch up back with you know I'm actually I do so. So they are the KFC drive-thru, you know, like a quick stop, get some food. So I look at drive-thru right there, so. Listen, KFC in Jamaica and America, totally different, not the same, not taste the same, not have the same things on the menu. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna know.
2 zinger, water, soda, and a 6-piece.
Let's see if we can be showing on my nails. Man, look dry and dusty, but yeah. See, everything in the box.
Can I get some extra napkin?
Yeah, because no much.
Napkin?
Finally made it into the hills of Jamaica. Backyard. Them in the suitcase, them boy. Come like you all time me a grumble on my video them. Sorry people. You sound like me a grumble. We just put the suitcase them in our back room for now. Just bring the suitcase them in our back room. Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. Love you. Long day of traveling, a night time now, basically. stop in our supermarket and just grab up little snacks and stuff. Cause they want walking at the empty house, you know. Just 1 and 2 little snacks. Yeah, just for now. Alright, so we're out here at Mega Mart. Oh, Mega Mart look different. Well, that one you look different from the one we used to go. Alright. Damn. Yeah, that means a single one to me. Well, 2. Yeah, mix them. I'm an oil one for you. Liquor section. Alright, thanks. Yeah, and you got huge, like. Right, you not have done something that in the fridge? That's so funny, I see fever tree in the fridge. Stone ginger wine. You know how long when I see that? Stone ginger wine. See somewhere I always buy Thermon. That's expensive. See that Thermon? Bro, it's 10 grand. 11 grand. Come out, Pier 1, Montego Bay. Let's see what this is about, people. Oh, this is nice. At night time you can't really see, but this is a nice view. We're at the Pier 1.
Happy birthday shout out to also happy birthday shout out to Lisa. Lisa, where are you? You go, girl.
How pretty it is. It's night time, guys. We just reached back. Yeah. Good morning, KK Squaaad. I don't know. It doesn't have no energy in the video. This is the back of the mountains. Anyways, we're gonna grab some breakfast. Something. Oh gosh. Peanut porridge, red. Grab some peanut porridge right at the spot yourself.
I'm so open.
Smell like so. Peanut porridge. Alright, so this is the outfit of the day. There one little hangout spot. Just to get some breakfast and something. And I get the car wash. Come over to my Instagram and you'll see the outfit better. Let me just tell you say where I get the car wash and something. There one little car wash. Just wait for the car get washed. So we're gonna try out this breakfast spot.
Morning.
Oops. Morning. See the person right here. We're gonna try out this breakfast spot called
The food ready?
Place. Awesome.
Too early.
Too early?
You know, there's a video we see place, man. They have what is the name? Matthew the Dirty.
Jamaica food boss.
Yes, the video them really work.
Yes, I'm based. By 10, 11 o'clock, I'm driving.
So them time they food already?
No. Okay. On a daily basis, food ready at least by 11 o'clock.
By 11 o'clock?
Today Saturday we're doing local curry goat and fried chicken.
You know, no breakfast.
We never do breakfast yet, unless
Because you know they have boiled food and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh. So you have boiled food?
We have boiled food today.
Okay, it's a local curry goat.
Yeah man, local curry. Every Saturday we do local curry goat.
Probably have some of that, some boiled food.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll definitely have that.
Potato and banana.
We definitely gonna try the food.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Man, them tell me about the food on the video. She's a vlogger too, you know.
Okay. So you met Matthew?
Yeah, she never met Matthew yet.
Yeah, what I can do, I can call Matthew and have him here. I'll ask him what he's doing.
Yeah.
And ask him if he can come and meet you.
Okay.
See?
Alright.
One network.
One
Yeah.
network. Hey, see?
The pie is big, you know.
True.
Because everybody has a niche market.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
Even though I met a guy from England, he was here with Matthew. And him just do underground cooking.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Jerk underground,
Yeah.
cook underground in England.
Yeah.
You know, go fish, everything. And everybody have a little different
Yep,
niche.
so
The
true.
market is big.
Alright.
Like if you want to come one day to do something, I
Yeah.
can give my kitchen and you do your video and everything.
Make a whole video.
You
Yeah.
understand me? That's not
Alright.
I should have only for subscriber too.
Okay. Come on.
Alright, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Just what, get the car wash.
Every Saturday.
Just get the car wash and watch it. Dirty already. Look at that. Alright, so this is how it look in the daytime. Last night, I not even get fish. Oh no, this is where we came last night to eat. But because we're staying close by here, me just say, let me show you guys what it's like out here. It's so nice. I wonder if I can climb up here, so. Can we climb up? I'm not gonna chance it. It's a nice view though. This is where we were last night. I couldn't even get for showing the people. I just wear drive past just to make me show what it's like, is it? Let me see this. So Ian just buying little NSC pure white rum. I know we're gonna get a little taste of the new rum. Then we'll come out. Wait, where will you? Which one of them? No, which one of them may have a taste? Something about boom boom. Oh, boom boom rum. This right here. Oh, okay. Well, let's try it. You guys can even see it. Reading Reef. Beering. It's called Dreamer Catamaran Cruise.
Then I cancel this shit.
I'm all dressed up to go on this boat cruise, and it's raining. Like, it was supposed to be a fun day, like all-inclusive drinking, snorkeling, a lot of activities on the boat out in the sea. This was supposed to be the highlight of my trip that Ian planned. The rain just come out of nowhere. Yesterday was just a nice sunny day. Alright, the rain all up so. But outside we're there outside. Outside this is so. This is so nice. It's nice back here. Too bad it's raining, yo. Like, this is nice. Oh, two different boats. Him said Tropical Dream. So over other side.
They want to.
No, yeah.
No, that's woman for that?
Damn, it was disgusting. Let me try take my time go down the stairs here, but stop it. We are going over this, so we are going with all of the Americans.
Maybe she just did a plate up.
Maybe she couldn't hold it in. Yes. You are so funny. Oh my gosh. Alright, we have to walk. We are gonna get wet anyways. It doesn't even matter. Can you stop? The woman couldn't hold in the fire. She just fought upon way. Like, we are walk past lady just didn't care. Yeah, that's in here. Look, put glasses on.
Yep, let's try to get rid of that shotgun green.
Let's go.
when I reach, come when I reach. Let's get another drink. Margarita, but they have one water slide. You guys not going?
We come in, we just like to sit and smoke. So
Okay. Alright, see you guys there.
Bro, this is Jamaica. You can smoke your weed, walk around.
we got you. We just like to sit and smoke.
Alright, I see what you're saying.
5 minutes. Like 5 minutes.
Alright. Oh, so I can't go either.
Watch it. Watch what?
I can't go if I have my drink. I'm gonna just stay right here. For true, man. For true. No, I'm gonna have it on camera, but I true.
Jump there, man.
That was a huge jump. You know what? Step down. Thanks. Oh, this is the water slide. Music I play, I'm making a vlog. Everywhere I go, this music. I'm sorry, guys. Me and need friend everywhere I go. It's green. It's like you stop your cooking and sit in your shop. I love this cup right here.
We're from Coral Springs.
You feel like this I go strip right in? You feel like that one love cup I go strip if I get it?
I work in Florida. Huh?
You feel like that one love cup there I go strip if I get it?
The auction price first, guys.
What's
Looks like you want to do a
what price for this?
foreign price. You don't need no foreign price.
Don't worry, brother. Don't worry. Which one you want?
You want one of them, Krissy?
What is that?
Is that shot glass?
What is it?
Girl,
Like, what
no
does it
drink
do?
out of that thing.
Oh, it's a...
Shot.
Oh!
You want this?
Yeah, for free.
How much for that? For 10 grand.
If you have this is owner, I give you. But
Much
I'm
for that?
not working. Normally, I sell 1,700, but for you, 1,200.
No, for me it's 1,000. I was born here. I will show you
Okay,
my passport.
1,000 for you.
But that's I said that.
How much for the cup?
Miss, this is 2,700.
I like this one.
Okay,
You want
2,000.
that one? Is it like a Yeti though?
2,700.
Do you
Yeah,
know
is
what
it,
a Yeti
does it
is?
keep it
Yeah.
cold?
Do you know what a Yeti is?
You can keep in hot and cold.
Yes, but do you know what a Yeti is?
Yeti?
Yeti.
I know.
Because I have a Yeti.
Oh, Yadi. Okay.
I know. I have a Yeti. A Yeti is a cup. A Yeti, and they cooler than a cup. I have a Yeti like this. It is going to keep it cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it cold and...
It's so quick you can say something about the price.
Yeah.
You like that cup?
I can
I
give you...
do, I really do. But is it gonna strip? Like, is the color gonna strip?
No. Have a regular customer.
tell you what.
Have a regular
Okay.
customer.
I tell you how Spanish Town people work. When I buy that cup, they have a chewing something. I'll pay the 2,700 for the cup. Is that fine? Ain't nobody coming over here today because it's raining. Hey, look, it's raining.
Yeah.
I don't want no.
I give you a nice drink for you. Don't worry, I make it for you.
I need that and something
Rum
else.
cream. Magnum.
You want that cup or what is it want? For openers.
Refrigerator for magnet with a bottle.
How much is the opener? But drop the bag.
Anything else?
You want that? She said she wants that.
Hiding in no crisis. I'm a blown cool like me. Everything will be a problem. We both this everything for a crocodile teeth. Everything get fucked when I reach.
Alright, YouTube. We work hard. We didn't know mobile. It's a rain, but that fix that. Tune in. We need the subscribers. So we can get money.
Not like the sunset nice.
Captain! Captain! Can I get a video right here? Hold on, brother. What are you messing me up?
What happened? What happened? How much can you run gun? Yeah, what happened then? If somebody fell off or the boat, I think.
Let's go down, man. Fish.
Somebody fell off?
Someone fell off.
Oh my gosh, I swear that someone fell off. Right here, right now, yeah.
Catching
Right here, right now. Good morning, good morning. That's crazy.
Right?
You just look up and see you. Sit down and look on we like, I'm right here.
Yeah, man, I have everything here. Yeah, we put up here, we can get a pineapple.
Alright, so we stop to get fruits Sunday morning now. Stop to get fruits. Some nice fruits in the morning here. Oh my gosh, I don't want to make a mess. Let me say, early morning fruit, cause the hangover business is not work.
Buy like 4 coconut, 2 we drink now and 2 coconut fish.
We get bush fund over there, sir. Yeah, that's right. You're so sweet, thank you. So that's that for this morning. Fresh fruits, some hot tea, and then we start the day. Pineapple sweet. The rain not far right now, but it's cloudy, so kind of dark out. But still have to be outside, no? Vacation mode.
Put them in that bag. Take the water and that bag.
Okay.
So I'm not going to work, I'm going to
I'm open this shop for you.
What you
want? Take it from him. I'm open this shop.
Yeah? They want it good.
Said we want it.
Just really
Cut it up like this so you can punch
we
it.
can punch it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm tell you, you know.
Remember, say you can't get plastic straw anymore, so I them straw there. Squeeze the side. Alright. Coconut on deck. Get 2 more coconut.
Thanks.
Yeah, coconut. Oh yeah, me see everything, man. Me video everything, man. Cause my vlog, you know, my YouTube.
You have to put him on in a vlog and make him tell where him there so people who are watch can see. Because she have only for subscribe up on our channel, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Rasta fruits.
Rasta fruits.
Rotal Holiday Inn. Right at Ruby's gas station.
Alright, Montego Bay.
Yeah,
So,
off Moon Street.
Moon Street, yes. So we
Half
can
Moon
find him right out here, so.
At the Ruby's gas station and the craft market right there.
Alright. Are you out here every day?
Every day.
Every day. Alright,
I
thank
work
you.
every day. No holiday.
That's right.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you for everything.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, take care.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so we're there. We're in this called Montego River. We're gonna do some rafting. The water look brown, but it actually look clean in person, but brown. I don't have to explain it. Yeah.
Hello, morning, welcome.
Morning.
You're welcome to drink at the bar, the rest of me son on your left.
Alright, thanks. Morning.
Yes, so what's up?
Oh, office right there. Morning. No, I just said there's a restroom too. Look. This is the office where I got the office. Martha Bray.
You need to wear a reindeer price ticket.
And what reindeer price is that?
You tell me.
$77 or $11,165.
What about, I thought online it says residence says $8,000 or something like that.
Residence $10,000. Give me an address for St. Catherine, please. That's the community name.
Old Park. This stuff.
And here you go. You get a welcome drink by the bar. It's a fruit drink. And also you get your life vest outside there.
Good morning. I just noticed what they're doing right here. Like they have different spice used mostly for meat. Oh, this is cute. Duppy gun. Oh, I name Duppy gun. Duppy gun. I never heard that one before. They have sweet basil. Oh, marijuana. Yeah, I saw a herb garden.
For cold and
marijuana. Duppy gun.
High in vitamins, gives energy. No need to that garden like this.
Yeah, ginger beer, so. This is nice.
I'm gonna need a fruit punch? Yeah, why would I want a fruit punch?
Yeah.
And they say complimentary.
Alright, so we got the life jacket on.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna fruit punch.
Without support. We don't have liquor like that.
Thanks, you too. Alright. She's so stable. Oh gosh. Go ahead.
Who called you? Nobody called you.
It's so sad to have to go weirdish, but
What?
it is what it is.
Alright, so we're heading back to the car right
Forward back.
now. Wait, but that name Spurling? I miss all of that. I always miss the good things for the vlog. Oh, my camera cleaning, man. Whoa. Anyways, like I say, our rafting we are doing. We're outside. Are we not? Like,
My brother, in Jamaica, the male have to take care of himself, yeah? But we take care of our females.
rafting it is. Raft captain. Banana tree down there. So nice. I turn the corner.
Yeah.
So you take your corner.
So Trevor, how's your day, man? So far, so good in the boss. Alright, yeah, man.
Beautiful. I mean, the water could have been a little clearer, but that's fine. It's not that bad in person, honestly.
The last time we did it Portland.
Oh,
Yeah.
you did that Portland?
Yeah.
Oh, Portland River, much longer ride.
Yeah.
3.5 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't that much then, cause
I think it was like an hour.
Oh,
more like
so
a
you do from bottom go up.
Yeah.
Hustling.
Yeah.
How long you stay in Jamaica for now?
5 days.
Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah, miss. Ooh.
Uno banana them there?
Banana actually the pine tree.
Keep the banana.
Yeah?
Like somebody planted, you know?
Okay.
Oh. Up on the towel line, all Jamaican colors. Right?
Why does it have to be this way? I'm telling to go, you're telling to stay. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. Looking to see you. Up again, listening to hear the phone ring by the fireplace.
Jesus.
Purple banana.
Purple banana?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I learned something new every day.
See some more there, this one. See green banana right this one, but then you see purple one right this one.
That's supposed to rear then.
Yeah.
Bro, shame off the pick 2 purple banana. But supposed to full of iron.
guess because today is Sunday and I really see nobody out, but you have like a little spot over there.
It's kind of closed, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because from the pandemic, it's closed.
Oh, from the was it like a bar or something?
It used to be like a bar and drug center.
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay. It makes sense.
There's be a little attraction over here.
Yeah.
So eventually, they have to bring that back.
Yeah.
Yeah. They normally then depends on the cruise ships.
Oh, yeah, right.
The cruise ship just start sail back, so.
Yeah. Hopefully pick up back soon.
Yeah.
But at least you get a little downtime.
Yes, man.
Mm-hmm. Is that a house?
Is that a residential home?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Like one person?
Family.
Oh, wow.
It's personal or it's like a resort?
Huh?
Is it a personal home?
Personal home, yeah, man.
Okay.
Nice.
I believe it's a return resident, you know.
Okay.
That's nice.
Both of them are doctors.
Okay.
So they're still living in the States and then come home now.
See?
That's the plan.
Alright, so we're here at Spirit Sport Bar and Grill. Nice view. I'll get some food to eat. Something. This is very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
Sit down too far.
Ah, this is nice. Foreign money. Thank you so much, darling.
You have Hennessy White? Hennessy White.
Yeah, white one. Want a shot?
The place are more like Saturday, Friday, Saturday. No, just like the owner of the place. Cause the video I see it coming up. You know, when the man mark tour guide or something, so I'll be up on YouTube with that. So say, no, what's up with the place? It seems like a really nice place.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Sit back and enjoy it. Corey's for you, right?
Thank you.
Fancy bad man.
Right? Thank you.
Eat this water before the flight and eat.
Right? So nice.
Can I have a bucket?
Yeah, sure. Alright, this is the food. Food look good. I'm going to eat it. So later, guys. Guys, I'm going to come back and make you know the food taste.
Hello?
Real good.
Hello?
Oh my gosh. The spice and everything just perfect. Like the curry kong, we get curry kong and
Yes, may I take some time off from the phone. Taking some time off from the phone.
I don't know what you have there. I'm gonna ask him when you come off of the phone. On the Long Island drink.
But
This
you may
place
really get enough service.
so damn like okay, but oh my gosh.
Not a place called what a place called Spirits? Spirits. I eat food, I just come back from rafting.
It done? Sorry guys. When me say me that come back, it was the garlic. What kind of switch here? Cause me did have the curry, but me couldn't finish it, so we switch. And they have a little bit of garlic conch. And we just eat the rest. That's what we do. We always share with food. Just to try each other food. You know how couples are. Oh yeah, the pork pits. I got order some food to try it out. See what it's about. Yeah man, get the food.
When you say one chicken, I mean one chicken.
Pork pit, right? Alright, so this is the pork pit. We're going to cross the street over there so you can see the beach. The beach is in our background right there. So go over there, go chill and eat. So we are here at Harmony Beach Park. It's a nice park, like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me a little bit of a little bit of Emancipation Park where they have, but over here they have, I don't remember what Emancipation Park look right now, but they have like, over here they have like a basketball court. They have different activities over here, and when you walk come down here, it's actually the beach. See, you have a place to wash your hand, and it's nice, it's beautiful right here. It's very nice. I have to come over here tomorrow and at the morning part. Like coming up close to it here and talk it through.
1.3. When they say 1.3 billion, come like you know that
$1.3 billion? That's crazy. Well, look there, look there. We can't even stop vlog. I have to show now. So come over here, we left the pork pit. Oh, we can't stand right there, sir. We left the pork pit and about to eat, but that for vlog and show you this first. We have the pork right here. We have some festival and the chicken. Nice. Guys, we just take a walk through the park. See one of them have over here. I have to come back in the daytime, honestly. Oh, they have a little pastry. Oh, they have different shops over here. Huh? I just realized that they have shops over here, pastry shops. What else? Oh, they have more bathrooms and stuff. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah, we don't need nothing more. Just look. What do I? Fireside jerk. Oh, it's a jerk spot that. Hey, you know, see food bars I eat, is it?
Food bars I come. I don't know, me see a sorrel beer. Oh, I'm not sorrel beer.
You know me see in the place where I come from? Apple.
I should drink a sorrel beer.
They had the apple one.
You know, man, drink the water. They have an apple one?
Yes, me see. Well, we just come from in a port whatever that. Any pork pit. Which one? Oh my gosh, look at that view. Which part? Would I get to go? Look at the mountain, how beautiful. You see when we used to live in Jamaica, before I go foreign to live, I never used to pay attention to this, how beautiful this is. I never feel like I appreciate it enough. But you know when you go, you live in Florida and everything just flat, and then you come back to Jamaica, you see, you appreciate it more. You get me? Where? One part of it is a Devon house. What you talking about? Devon house. That's nice. Yeah, let's try some Devon house. What flavor is that? Like chocolate?
Yeah, I get grape milk.
Yeah, get that. It's just a chocolate.
Rum and raisin.
My different flavor ice cream I didn't have.
Oh, okay, crunchy one. We get the crunchy one.
These are the toppings that they have. We just get some small, cause like I said, we just eat, we're belly full, but we still never know, so I was alright, I could try it. You know? Yep. This is like the strip, the hip strip, right? This is the hip strip. We have Margaritaville, different things like shops and stuff. So we're going to lounge 27. Yeah. It's like a rooftop type of thing with the beach. At the behind, when we go upstairs there, let me show you exactly what it is. See that? Lounge 27.
She causing a scene outdoors, everybody watching we, all the in-laws. I don't want no problems, why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in my man. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is standard. She have with business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road.
But you telling us that I don't come back in the daytime, you know? Yeah, this is how it's looking in the daytime. That's my handsome guy walking to the restroom.
It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. Hello. I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I should know how to pick.
Alright, so we're back at the Merit's place, adult novelties.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
Fried chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice bar. Thank you.
Come on, if I never feel rain, man. Several weeks, we try to improve on this. Yeah. Next week, Sunday, level up over here. A bit nice. I do adult toys. Yeah. While I was here, set up the place for adult toys, and I said, alright, this is my daughter's mistakes. Yeah. I'll get them a shop. Yeah. What I go to the kids to do for. Yeah. And then this is man up and I grow up. I try it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
What do you make cook? What do you cook over Zin? Stop by store. I'm gonna buy like a bunch of green banana.
So good. Fried chicken. So good.
Yeah. Food was good.
The food was really good. I'm actually gonna put it on my vlog because I have a whole vlog going on.
What?
Yeah. So what's your name and where can they find you?
My name is Krissy Junior. You can find me at Lot 23, Bogue Industrial Estate.
Yes.
Montego Bay.
Yeah. Guys, come down here, look at the food. Shot. Tastes real good. Yes. You really did.
I'm not a dumpling man.
Exactly, and
we eat.
Different between our stores and others. We use natural spices.
Natural spices.
Natural as it is.
Yeah. That's good.
That's it. We have our price is much better.
Yeah.
It's much better prices.
Yeah. Alright.
And we treat the business as everyone is family.
Right.
So everybody get equal treatment.
Yeah.
Tourists, local, equal things.
Yeah. Alright, so make a quick stop at Far Out Fish Hut. Probably can't hear me, but another little place on the beach. Right here, so. Right here, so.
And the almond tree
Like,
chilling.
and the almond tree just a chill for real, like it's so nice. Guess we just still against a chill out and eat. Green almond night tree though, but it's good. She's nice. She's not way from that. Didn't get no time to record the whole come out. Somebody was hungry, but it took a long time. Honestly, guys, left my talk and eat. This was a long day, because they have to cook it.
Worth it though.
Yeah, you order it and then cook it for your son and wait, but it tastes so good. It was worth it. Far Out Fish Hut. I'm going to show you the name better. The fish might not look big on camera, but it's a huge fish.
Still big.
We have a next one steaming. Well, this is what for now. And so let me say called Far Out Fish Hut. Yeah, it's a nice spot to come. Enjoy the view and eat some fish.
Foreign with it, bro.
Foreign with it. Pizza, KFC, Starbucks in a one.
Pizza, son.
How am I to pronounce it? Pizza. I'm Jamaican. Pizza. What do you want me to say?
Pizza again.
Pizza.
I never say this. It sounds like.
Well, this is Ocharius, guys, for you. Foreign with it. Maps. That's the police car in Jamaica, people. Hey guys, say what's up to the vlog.
Nasty. What's up, y'all?
What's Jamaica around this? Jamaica, let me zoom in on it.
Gang gang.
Wanna say something, man?
Really good
Cali family is broke.
Oh my gosh,
But
well,
your
our
family's
family.
broke?
At the end of the day, all of them are family.
So we all broke?
Oh yeah, tomorrow's my birthday.
Oh yeah, let's wish Jamari a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Hey y'all.
I wish Jamari happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. You put it on the doo-doo. Don't waste it, just stay sweet. Happy birthday to you.
What's up, KK Squaaad? So I am back home in Florida. I should have closed off my vlog from at the airport, but so much was going on. I don't know all the airport thing already, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite part of this trip and what you've done before on your trip in Jamaica that I've done. Something like that, it may explain it right. But anyways, thank you so much, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.
Fix things, quick things, low things. Well, alright then. Can you see me at least?